So, boys and girls, in math today, we're going to talk about measuring temperature. So, over the past couple weeks, we've been learning about measuring length by using a ruler or some other objects, and measuring weight by using a scale, and then measuring capacity by filling things with water. So we've been learning all those different measurements. Today we're going to learn about measuring temperature, like I said. So when you measure temperature, you need something called a thermometer. Now, this is a picture I drew of a thermometer. Remember, Miss Rabideau is not an artist, so it's not perfect, but I did my best. All right, so this is what a thermometer looks like. A thermometer has a red liquid inside of it, and however high the red liquid is, that tells you what the temperature is. Now, here in America, we measure temperatures in something called degrees Fahrenheit, okay? So the way we abbreviate that, our abbreviations, you put a little circle, and then you put capital F for Fahrenheit, all right? So we measure in degrees Fahrenheit. So all of these numbers here, it would be degrees Fahrenheit. All right, so like I said, the red liquid is what shows us what the temperature is. So you have to see what number the red liquid is closest to, where it stops at the top of it, okay? So, we're not going to look down here, we're not going to look in the middle, we have to look for where the top of the red is. And then that will show us, whatever number it is closest to, that will show us what the temperature is. So let's look at these guys. Which one is it closest to? Well, it's above 0, 10. Oh, this is going up by tens. All right, which one is it closest to? It stops right next to 70. 70 degrees Fahrenheit. So this thermometer is saying that it is 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay? Pretty simple. You just got to look at the top what number it's closest to. Makes sense, right? All right, let's take a look at a couple other thermometers. Let's see. There we go. All right, let's take a look at these two, and we need to figure out what the temperature is. Okay, so here's this one. Remember, the temperature is where the red stops, where the red liquid stops. Okay, so it starts down here. This one stops at what number? 20 degrees. Now, is that hot or cold? That's cold, very cold. We would need to use friction to keep ourselves nice and warm. Yes, so that's 20 degrees. Good. All right, now let's look at this thermometer. Okay, so we got to see where it stops. Now, this one's almost full. What number is it closest to? 90. It's right on the 90 there. So this thermometer is saying 90 degrees. So is that hot or cold? Very hot. That's what we sometimes get in the summer, 90 degrees. That is very hot. Okay, so that's how you read a thermometer and you measure the degrees and measure the temperature. That's the word I'm looking for. Measure temperature. All right, so you're going to work on a worksheet. It's going to give you some degrees. It's going to say 10 degrees Fahrenheit or 40 degrees Fahrenheit. And you're going to use a red crayon or color pencil or pen, if your parents say that's okay. And you are going to color in the thermometer and show that degree. All right, so let's say let me just erase this real quick. Let's say next to this one, it says, all right, it says 50 degrees Fahrenheit. So now I have to color this in to make it 50 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm going to have to start down here. Can I stop here? No, that's only 10 degrees. I'm trying to get to 50. All right. Going up, going up. Oh, man. Am I done now? No, that's only 30 degrees. All right. There we go. You've got to go all the way up to 50, and then that gives you 50 degrees. All right, so that is what you are going to do on your worksheets. Okay? That's what you're going to do on your worksheets for today. All right, boys and girls, you are going to do an awesome job with this, and I hope you have an awesome day.